We will be a work of art.
First, search up youtube.com. Search youtube.com and it will take you to here. Then you want to click your icon like it says on the screen. And then click YouTube Studio. Once you click that, it will take you to this page and you click on this little video icon thing. It will take you to your videos. Now all you got to do is click the video you want to edit or put the iCard to, and it will take you to this screen. And on the right, you'll see iCards right here, and that's what you press, like it says on the screen. So you click that, and it'll take you right here. Now you could to add your card, all you gotta do is press this and click either video, channel, poll, or link. So I'm going to first click video and click create. It will take me to all my videos and I get to pick which video I would like to add or promote like the screen says. And then press create card. But I'm not going to do that right now because, we're not actually adding the end screen. The iCard. So we're going to click that again. And then we're going to click channel to add a specific channel we're trying to promote. So we're going to click create, and all you have to do is put the channel name that you're trying to promote, put the message that you want to add, and a teaser text. So you might want to say thank you, or this is a collaboration, and then you write for the teaser text, make sure to check out their channel or whatever you want to put that's not a lot of words, like in a few words, and then click create card, and a card will be created. So then you want to click add card again. This is another way to add the poll, and same thing, just press create and it will take you here, and you just add a poll question. So one of the poll questions you could add is, are you subscribed? So I'm going to write that right now. Or any other question you want to ask your subscribers, just to make them, communicate with you and be like a part of the video. So, and then you can make the choices yes and no, but I'm about to, or I'm about to, I got you, I'm about to, whichever one. Just don't make an answer be no. So then you press create card, but we're not going to do that because I'm not actually doing this. So I'm going to click cancel, and then there you go. Oh, and if you want to move the card to wherever you feel like if you're trying to if you promoted the video in a specific part and you're like, if you want to learn how to make a thumbnail, this is the video that could teach you how to make a thumbnail. You could just move the poll like I am right now to the specific part where you did that. So make sure you know in your video which part you promoted the video that you're trying to promote, and then move it to that part. So if I'm at 1:18, I promoted my thumbnail video, then I want to move the poll or the card to that specific place, and the changes would be saved to your channel automatically.